Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you with BrCl3 Lewis structure. It's a chemical formula for bromine trichloride, and to find out its Lewis structure we will first determine the total number of valence electrons for this molecule. Here bromine atom has 7 valence electrons in its outer shell, and even chlorine atom has 7 valence electrons in its outer shell. So we are going to multiply this number by 4, and hence we have a total of 28 valence electrons for BrCl3. Bromine atom here will take the central position, and chlorine atoms will be arranged around this atom like this. To show a bond between these atoms, we are going to place a pair of electron, and doing that we will be using up 6 valence electrons out of 28. And as you can see here, all chlorine atoms require 6 more valence electrons to have complete octets. So we are going to place 6 valence electrons around each chlorine atom. Doing that, we will have complete octets for all chlorine atoms, and we will be using up 18 more valence electrons. And now we are left with 4 more valence electrons, and if you can see here, bromine atom already has 6 valence electrons, and it just needs 2 more to have a complete octet. But as it is an exception to the octet rule, it can accommodate more than 8 valence electrons, and that is the reason that we are going to place all our remaining 4 valence electrons on the bromine atom itself. And hence this is the Lewis structure for BrCl3. You can also check out the exception to octet rules on the net, and you will come across the elements that can have expanded octets, and bromine is one of those. So I hope this video helps you with BrCl3 Lewis structure. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.